What the dog doing?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me in a new house because the previous house I was just renting. Well then, from last night until now, it's still raining. And my little sister is still sleeping. And I'm going to wake her up soon. And guys, look, the rain is so heavy. Okay, we are finished cleaning the kitchen. Now it's time for us to take a bath. Hello guys, my sister borrowed this camera and she said to show my skincare routine. We have finished taking a bath. Now we want to watch Ponyo.
It's really hot.
Okay guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.